Hey guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing wonderful. So I wanted to show you guys how I wash my brushes. This is how they look before. And this is how they look after. Super clean, soft, and they smell super good. This is the laundry detergent that I use. I buy it at the dollar store. Literally $1. And then I got this little wash mat at Wish for $1 and $1 shipping. And yeah. I like to use warm water. If I use cold water, the foundation or concealer, it's like a lot harder to remove. And if it's warm, it kind of just like warms it up and it falls off from the bristles, I guess. And I like to use the two bottom ridges of the mat for big brushes and then the two middle ones for smaller brushes. And this is how clean it looks, and it's super soft and it smells great. This is an eyeshadow brush. Literally when I just want them to be clean, I just use a makeup wipe and I clean the brush. But this is like an actual full, like how I wash them every like 3 weeks or a month, which I try to wash them a lot faster, or like a lot sooner, but ain't nobody got time for that, girl. This brush I used for foundation, and I'm just using the ridges to really take off the makeup gunk and stuff. And that's how dirty they are, guys. Stop, I'm doing a voiceover. Shut up. Oh my gosh. Sorry about that. This is how clean they are, guys. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I wash oval brushes. Miguel, I'm recording, fool.
Sorry.
This is how I wash my oval brushes. Just some warm water. I don't wet the bottom of the the handle just because I did it once and it broke off. And here I am just washing my brush. And then I like to use the mat as well.
What kind of shenanigans is that?
Miguel, shut up.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't even...
Miguel?
Makeup is like rocket science.
Okay, we get it.
I don't know how it works.
Oh my god. And this is how I wash my beauty blender. This literally takes me about 30 minutes to wash, guys, just because I don't wash it as much as I probably should. But yeah, I've had this sponge for a while now, and I mean, it's still great. As long as I wash it really good, it's like new. But yeah, and it takes me forever. I don't use the mat for sponges or anything, but yeah, it takes me a long time. And then this is how clean my little puffs are, my small beauty blender, my Real Techniques sponge, as orange as I can get, and these are my brushes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love ya. See you in my next video.